Thank you again for joining us. We are at model number 3 at Arroyo Grande here in Casa Grande. So if you're looking for a home in this area, give me a call. We will definitely do our best to get you into one. Again, this is my first time in this floor plan, so I know nothing about it. So you are literally walking through this floor plan with me for the very first time. So sorry if I don't sound like I know what I'm talking about, because I don't. So this laundry room, we're gonna start here because why not? Do you see how big this laundry room is? If you wanted to put a sink over here, you have plenty of space for it. Washer and dryer are gonna go there, and then you can put a table, or shoot, you can put a desk in here if you wanted to, and make this an office. Whatever you wanna do, it's your house. But I love that laundry room space. We're gonna go into bedroom number 1. Bedroom number 1 has its own bathroom. Didn't see that coming. So bedroom number 1. You can fit, I would say, a queen size in here easily. It's gonna be a little tight, maybe against this wall here because of the window, but as you can see, there's a nightstand on the other side, so you can definitely do it. Love that. Closet, leaves a little much to be desired, but it's still a nice size closet. If you are able to put something along here to make more space, I guess. But I love that it does have its own room up towards the front of the house. And again, this is bedroom number 1. I like that. That's very nice. So we're gonna go out and go straight across the hall into bedroom number 2. Bedroom number 2 has a standard closet. This bed is stressing me out. But if I had to say, yeah, you can get a queen size in here too. I probably would stick to a full. Just because the way this room is, as you can see, well, this has the platform underneath, but there's not a lot of walk space. Here, there's space over here. So it's not a small bedroom. It's actually a decent size. If you put a smaller bed in there, I think you'll get more bang for your buck. Here is the hallway closet, double sinks with the separated tub and toilet. It's got that deep tub that I'm finding myself liking more of. I love some of the artwork in this house. It's very, very nice. And then we're gonna go down the hall here. So in this hallway, there's a desk area here. So you can actually put an actual desk here, like a workstation, a home workstation, whatever you wanna do. But here's another bedroom. And even see how I like this, how this bedroom's done. This bedroom, I like that you can see the space. So even here you have walk space, but you have space to sit on your floor and enjoy your floor space, and a nice size closet. So that's bedroom number 3. Follow me on the bedroom counts. This is bedroom number 4, AKA this could be your office also. This one again is, now this one's a nice size room, just based on how it's laid out. You can walk here. If you put a nightstand over there, you've got space here. So this is a nice size bedroom there. Actually, again, it's the front of the house, so it could also be an office space if you needed an office space. So we've got 3 bedrooms already, and we haven't even hit the living room yet. 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and we haven't hit the living room yet. So we're gonna go back into the living room, kitchen, dining room combo. Oh, this is nice. So here we've got the living room off to the right. Plenty of natural light, as you can see. You actually have a dining area back towards the back of the house, and then here's going to be your kitchen. I love that backsplash. I like how it complements the countertops here. And then let's take a look at the pantry. I like this stove too. Nice size pantry. A little deep, so for short people like myself, I would need a step ladder to get and use that top shelf, but it's a nice size pantry actually. Like it a lot. All right, and then lastly, we're gonna head to the primary bedroom. Primary bedroom is in the back of the home. And again, so what well, this one has a little more wall space, so to speak. If I take that door out, I've got more wall space. And I'm fine because I have this big window here to let light in, so it's not a big deal. And then it's got that big, large, oversized shower that I'm finding myself liking. So we're gonna take a look at the bathroom here. So you've got your double shower, one on this side, one on that side, double sinks with counter space. Like the floor option here, there is your toilet room. Here is your linen closet and your actual closet. So the actual closet is a decent size for the floor plan. Actually, it's not too bad at all. So cool. So this is model number 3 at Arroyo Grande. If you are in the market for a new home or a resale home, give me a call, 623-207-7146, and we will do our best to get you into that home of your dreams. All right, you guys, thanks for joining me. Have a great day.